Hello and welcome, dear followers. Today we're going to make some delicious and easy to prepare pastries, a recipe that everyone in the family will love. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and support us with likes and shares so we can always bring you the best recipes. Let's get started and see how to make these pastries that will fill your home with the wonderful aroma of freshly baked bread. To make the dough, we need 2 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of yeast, a pinch of salt, and 2 tablespoons of powdered milk. Mix all these ingredients well with warm water and let them rest for 10 minutes. After that, add 3 more cups of flour and half a cup of olive oil and mix everything together using an electric mixer until the dough becomes smooth and cohesive. Then, cover the dough and let it rise and rest for 30 minutes before we start shaping it. Once the dough has risen nicely, divide it into small balls to make it easier to work with. Roll out the dough using a little flour to prevent sticking, and then cut it into circles or any shape you like. For the filling, I used cheese, but you can use any type of filling you like or have available. When it comes to cooking, heat a pan over medium heat and spray it with a bit of oil. Place the pastries in the pan, let them cook for 2 minutes, then flip them and continue turning until they're nicely cooked on all sides. There are also other shapes you can make with the same dough, but with different fillings. Feel free to be creative with the fillings as you wish. You can also bake the pastries in the oven, and they will come out looking and tasting fantastic. If you have any comments or questions, don't forget to leave them under the video. Also, remember to subscribe to the channel and support us with likes and shares with anyone who loves pastries.